Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see about this keyword in JavaScript. So let's say suppose I have an object with the name as the cricket and it has these following properties as the series name, most runs players, most wickets player, player of the series, winner, and this runner up, right? And then after this I have one function as the property of this object named as the cricket, right? And in that function what I am doing here is I am just fetching these values, right, with the help of this return keyword in the function, right? But here you can observe one thing that I have used this keyword, right, for fetching these values. Let's say for a moment I'll remove this keyword, right, and I'm going to run my file in the terminal. So I'll open my terminal, and then what I'll do here is I'll first clear my screen, and then I'm going to run this file. The name of the file is this.js. So that's why I've written node this.js. Now I'm going to hit the enter button from my keyboard, and then I'll get a reference error. Series name is not defined. So just remember that if you will not use this keyword, right? So this will give that this series name is not defined. You will not be able to fetch these properties values, right, into a function, right? So make sure that you will write this keyword, right, before accessing any of the values of these properties within an object, right? So now I'll clear my terminal. I'll maximize my terminal a little bit more, and then I'm going to run my file again. So here you can see that now I am getting the result. Series name is this: most runs 765 by Virat Kohli India, most wickets 24 by Mohammad Shami India, player of the series Virat Kohli India for 765 runs and 1 wicket, winner is the Australia and runner up is India, right? So you can see here that whatever properties and the values which we have given in the object, and then we have a return function, so we can easily fetch these values, right, these properties values in the function, in the World Cup stat function, with the help of this keyword, right? And at last there was a console log statement. So you will write cricket World Cup stats, so this function will be called, and in the terminal you will get the output like this, right? I hope guys that you have understood, and if you have any doubt you can ask the same in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it. And guys, one more thing, if you are new on this channel, kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.